Age word problems. Anna is 18 years older than her dog. 1 year ago, she was 3 times as old as her dog. How old are they now? Let's start with this first sentence. We have Anna is 18 years older than her dog. So let's write. We'll use A to represent Anna's age, and then we'll set that equal to 18 years older than her dog. So it's going to be her dog's age. We'll represent that as a D, and then we're going to add 18 because she is 18 years older than her dog. So now we have one equation, but this is not enough to solve the problem. So we need another one. Let's look at this next sentence. 1 year ago, she was 3 times as old as her dog. Let's start with Anna's age. What would Anna's age be 1 year ago? Well, it would be her age minus 1. And then that's going to be 3 times her dog's age. So we'll do 3 times, what would her dog's age be 1 year ago? Well, it would be her dog's age minus 1. So now let's simplify this. What is 3 times d minus 1? That's going to be 3d minus 3. And then we need to add 1 to both sides to get rid of that. So let's add 1. And we will get a is equal to 3d minus 2. So now we have a system of equations. A is equal to d plus 18, and a is equal to 3d minus 2. Let me make this blue. So both of our equations are equal to a, so we can actually set them equal to each other to solve for d. So let's do that. D plus 18 is going to be equal to 3d minus 2. Let's start by subtracting a d on both sides, and then let's add 2 to both sides. And we'll end up with 20 is equal to 2 times d. And now we just need to divide by 2 on both sides. And if we do that, 20 divided by 2 is going to be 10. The dog's age is 10, so he is 10 years old. But it says how old are they now, so we also need to solve for Anna's age. So let's use this equation here. Let me scroll down a little bit so we have some more room. A is going to be equal to D, which is 10, plus 18. 10 plus 18 is going to be 28. So Anna is 28 years old, and her dog is 10 years old. Lisa is 4 years younger than Erica. James's age is 6 years less than 3 times Erica's age. If James is 14 years older than Lisa, how old is Erica? So let's start with this. Lisa is 4 years younger than Erica. That means her age, which we're going to use L, is going to be equal to 4 less than Erica's age. So let's use E for Erica's age, and then we need to subtract 4. So Lisa is 4 years younger than Erica. Now let's look at this next sentence. James' age is 6 years less than 3 times Erica's age. So let's use J for his age, and that's going to be equal to 6 less than 3 times E, 3 times Erica's age. So this is going to be 3 times E, because it's 3 times Erica's age, and then it's 6 years less, so we're going to subtract 6. And now finally, we have James is 14 years younger than Lisa. Scroll over a little bit. We have J is going to be equal to 14 years older than Lisa. So that would be Lisa's age plus 14. And now we have a system of 3 equations set up, so let's see if we can solve for e. The first thing to notice is that we have 2 equations that are equal to j, so we can set those equal to each other. 3 times e minus 6 is equal to L plus 14. And now we still don't have e by itself, we still have 2 variables, so we need to get rid of one of them. Luckily, we already have L in terms of e, so we can substitute this function here for L. So let's do that. 3 times e minus 6 is going to be equal to e minus 4 plus 14. And now we just need to solve. So let me scroll down, make sure we have enough room. So let's start on this side. 14 minus 4, that's going to be 10. And then let's add 6 to both sides. So now we're going to have 3 times e is going to be equal to e plus 10 plus 6 is 16. So now we can subtract e from both sides. 3e minus e is going to be 2 times e, and that's going to be equal to 16. So now we just need to divide by 2. And finally, we get Erica's age. Erica is 8 years old. So hopefully now you have a better understanding on how to set up a system of equations to solve an age word problem.